WYLL is an acronym that stands for What You Look Like, and it's become a popular phrase on Instagram and other social media platforms. When someone sends you a message with WYLL, they're usually asking for a photo, selfie, or a description of your appearance. It's a casual, shorthand way to express curiosity about someone's looks, especially in the context of online conversations where people may not have met in real life. The rise of acronyms like WYLL reflects the fast-paced, image-driven nature of modern digital communication. On platforms like Instagram, where visuals play a major role, users often seek a more personal connection with others. If someone DMs you, WYLL, they might be interested in getting to know you better or simply want to put a face to the name. It's important to remember that sharing images or personal information online comes with its own set of risks. Always be mindful of your privacy and comfort level before sending any photos to people you don't know well. If you're not comfortable sharing a picture, it's perfectly acceptable to politely decline or respond with a description instead. There's no obligation to reveal more than you feel safe with. WYL is just one of many acronyms that have emerged as digital slang continues to evolve. Others you may encounter include WYD for What You Doing, Onits, HMU for Hit Me Up, and TBH for To Be Honest. Understanding these terms can help you navigate conversations on Instagram and connect with others more easily, so the next time someone messages you WYLL, you'll know they're asking about your appearance. How you choose to respond is entirely up to you. Just remember to stay true to yourself and prioritize your safety online.